Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in this one, we're going to do express as single fraction. You can see that all these questions are to express as single fraction. So how do we do questions like this? This will be a bit more advanced. So the first thing we need to do is to factorize the denominator. So that what's the purpose is to figure out these two denominators, is there any sort of relationship between the two of them? So let's factorize and we see what happens. So over here, x plus 3 is already factorized, so I'm leaving it there. You can't factorize further, but this one we can. So what we do is, if you learn how to see this, is x squared x and then a number, which means this is cross method. Cross method. So over here, I'm doing the cross method. If you don't know how to do this, you need to watch some other videos to learn to do this. So basically, after you do this, the answer is x minus 4 times x plus 3. So you can see that over here, I factorize. So at this point, we need to look at, okay, these two denominator, what is the link? It is pretty obvious in this case because x plus 3, x plus 3. Okay, so both of them have x plus 3, which means in order to combine these two, both needs to have the same denominator, which is over here. So if you look, this is x plus 3. He's short of a x minus 4. So what we do is simply this one, we numerator times x minus 4, denominator times x minus 4. And then we get this, you see. So when the numerator times x minus 4, we are looking at here. This one don't need to change because this fraction is fine. The denominator is already correct, so to speak. So we're looking at 2 minus 3 times x minus 4 here. So you can see that this is the line. I like to write it in a straight line because if I don't, it's very easy to multiply this wrongly, because you will take negative 3x times x, and then you won't realize that it is still negative 3x times 4. And that's where this plus is the one that most people make the mistake. So after you combine, you are reaching here. We just need to simplify. You can see that both are x. I'm just going to combine the x and get this. This is the answer. Okay, so over here, you can see this is very similar. So again, the tactic is to factorize everything. So cannot factorize, I leave it. This one, it is actually a squared minus b squared. So this is x squared minus 2 squared. That's why it is x plus 2, x minus 2. Then at this point, x plus 2, x plus 2. So this is short of x minus 2. So this fraction is short of x minus 2. So what we do is times x minus 2 times x minus 2. So we are at here. So this one times x minus 2 here, minus 2x, denominator becomes like this. And then I'm just simplifying the numerator. So there'll be minus 2, then x minus 2x. So that's like that. So that's how you do it. Hope you learned something. Thank you and bye-bye.